Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the AI showdown of the year. Which one delivers the best results for your content creation, brainstorming, or business needs? We'll break down features, pricing, ease of views, and more to help you decide which AI assistant deserves your time and your money. So let's begin. Okay, so let's begin with Jasper.ai. It is formerly known as Jarvis, is an artificial intelligence or AI platform designed to help users create high quality content more efficiently. I've been using Jasper in the past, and it uses advanced natural language processing or NLP to generate text for various use cases, including marketing, blogging, social media, and more. Jasper is particularly popular among marketeers, content creators like us here in GPLAF's YouTube channel. We are using Jasper, matter of fact, and businesses looking to scale their content production. Now, if you check the top corner, you can see the platform, solutions, resources, company, and pricing. If you click that, you would notice that the creator has the $39 per month, which is seed. It offers a powerful AI features to create and improve your content everywhere you work online. You can, of course, start for a 7-day free trial. It includes all these: one user seat, one brand voice, access to Jasper chat, SEO mode, and a lot more. If you wanted to scale up to the pro plan, wherein you can have the advanced AI features to create content for multiple brands and collaborate on campaigns, you might want to check that right here. All right, so these are going to be the perks and advantages. If you want to go to the business, you see there's no pricing available, right? I highly suggest, if you want to go for a big commitment, you might want to contact sales and schedule a demo or book a demo, or before you test waters and gauge if this is going to be the right platform for you, you might want to start your free trial here by clicking this button. What will happen is you will be forwarded to this page. All I have to do is just fill in as much as information as you can. Okay, you can also continue with Google or continue with your personal or business emails. After that, you should be welcome with this message, and from here you can click the start tour, and you have now the Jasper dashboard waiting for you to access and utilize all the tools right here. Now, one of the key features of Jasper.ai or Jasper, it can generate blog posts, articles, product descriptions, ad copy, and email campaigns, which helps brainstorm ideas or outline based on user input. How? You see, you can type in, specify a writing task. If you want to put some text here, for example, if you want to know which is better, Jasper AI or ChatGPT, you might want to click on the create button. It will give you some content for you to edit. All right, it offers templates for specific content types such as friendly blogs, Facebook ads, LinkedIn posts, and more. You see, you can select a brand voice. That means, is it going to be like if you want to add a brand voice from the list below, we have a separate video on diving deep using the Jasper.ai, so you might want to check that in our channel soon. But for now, you see, you can check the criteria. Is it going to be like passive voice? What is going to be the target? Is it like teens, professionals? You also have an option for the key features. You also have an option to create an image, and from here, all I'm gonna do is click the generate now. The output will be better if you provide some information. It helps the algorithm for Jasper to give you a content that is customizable and suits your adaptation. All right, from here, let me just click this for now. You have an option to stop generating. You see, you can, matter of fact, have the option to not only edit the text, you have a lot of options here. You can also add an image if you want. You have also the plagiarism checker or the word counter, which is not available in ChatGPT. All right, so for example, if you're working with a blog and it requires a like a word counter, or it has like a limit, this is going to be a handy feature tool, because If, for example, the blog requires you at least 1,000 words, you know that you are missing 200 kind of words, right? And it requires like 4 minutes to read. You also have the option to check the plagiarism. All right. You see, you can reload your account balance to use this plagiarism checker. But the thing is, it requires a pro plan before you can dive into this. All right. So basically, Jasper is one of the best tools in terms of the AI. But of course, the next contender is not slouch either. Now, ChatGPT is the wildly popular advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning techniques, particularly a type of model known as GPT or generative pre-trained transformer, to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Right? So, ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate natural language, enabling it to engage in conversations, answer questions, assist with tasks, and provide information across a wide range of topics. The difference between OpenAI or ChatGPT is that you can download this, you can click the web version, try ChatGPT, or you can download ChatGPT desktop, all right? Whichever you prefer. For example, we're going to click this try ChatGPT for now. We will be forwarded here, all right? Wherein you can type in your questions, or you can try to use it to carry on conversations in natural human-like manner, understanding context and generating relevant responses. You can create image, brainstorm code, summarize text, make a plan, and more. Now, if you wanted to know the advanced features, you might want to click the sign up button to see what will happen. From here, you can use any of the following accounts you have. You can use your Google, your Microsoft account, or your Apple. If you want to use your personal or business email, you are also welcome to do that. Now, once you have created your account, basically you can type in similarly to Jasper AI, type your questions to see what we got here. All right. It'll give you some content right here. It can assist with a task such as summarization, translation, brainstorming, and drafting emails, or even content for marketing. The model can adjust its tone and style based on user needs. For example, you can choose from formal, casual, informative, and a lot more. Now, from here, you see that there is an option here via ChatGPT Plus. Right now, I'm using the ChatGPT Great for Everyday Tasks, which is one of the free trial. If you want to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, click the upgrade button. All right, so the free one is going to be $0. You can explore how AI can help you with everyday tasks. And the plus is wherein you are required to the $20 per month. You can level up productivity and creativity with expanded access. However, if you plan to scale up to the business, which is $25 per month, you can supercharge your team's work with a secure collaborative workspace. All right. Now, our verdict is that if you want a multi-purpose AI for a variety of tasks, or for casual questions to technical problem solving, and if your budget is a concern and you want flexibility, I highly suggest ChatGPT is the best option for you. On the other hand, though, if your primary goal is to create marketing or SEO content efficiently, and if you want to tailored templates for professional grade outputs, I highly suggest Jasper.ai. Okay? But again, ultimately, choosing between Jasper AI and ChatGPT depends on your specific needs, use cases, and budget. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.